Why waste your time searching for lovely accommodation in Melbourne when Infinity Place is right at your fingertips? Offering a range of studios, ensuite rooms, and shared apartments, Infinity Place has every possible option you could think of. All the well-furnished rooms come with a cozy bed, wardrobe, plenty of storage space, and a fully equipped kitchen. The rooms are amazing, but the amenities are the real gems. The on-site cinema room is the perfect place to host a marathon party, and the state-of-the-art gym inspires you to step up and stay in shape. Once you are done crunching notes, enjoy some quality time at the games room or hang out at the Skyline Terrace with your buddies. Along with this, you get free high-speed Wi-Fi, a quiet study room, and full-time CCTV surveillance. That's not it. The University of Melbourne and Trinity College are close to the property, which makes it perfect for students just in case they are running late for their lectures. On a weekend, go for a picnic lunch with your pals at the Carlton Garden or window shop at the Bourke Street Mall. And if that sounds a little dull, hop on a tram and explore the city to its fullest. Infinity Place provides the perfect setting for an exciting student experience. Visit amberstudent.com and book your room today.